Hi, this is Jay. I'll be your instructor on how to use a drill press. This is a drill press. There are many functions of a drill press, such as boring holes in wood, etc., for sinks and countertops, things like that. You need a hole. This is what's going to do it. So, to start off, you're going to want to make sure you're in a safe, stable environment, and you have, safety goggles on, because stuff goes flying. It's good to be safe than sorry. Also, do not touch this switch. Bright yellow, red switch. That's the power. Don't touch that when your hands are near that. Bad. Okay, what you're first going to want to do, make sure you're stable, and this is a sound piece of equipment. It's not going to fall over. You're on something level. Next, you're going to set whatever you're drilling a hole into here. Make sure that it's stable. As you can see, it's not very stable right now. Next, you're going to want to adjust this to whatever bit size you have by rotating said lever here. Once you have found the height that you would need, you're going to take this and you're going to lock it in. Making sure that this no longer moves anywhere. Then you would go to said handy dandy toolkit.
Go.
So, now to show you the actual functions of this thing. Here you have a test subject piece of wood. It's not too huge, so I'm going with a smaller size bit. I'm going to roll with the 5/16 bit. Small enough to penetrate, not going to cause a whole lot of damage. Should be safe. One will be safe. Alright, next you're going to want to stick your bit in here and lock it in with this. Tighten it in like that. Take your truck key. There's several little holes along the sides, and this has like grips or gears along with this. Locking that in like that. You're going to twist until tight. And your bit shouldn't go anywhere. Next, you're going to want to make adjustments to table height and tension. Bringing this up, you're going to want to test it and see a point where your bit will pass cleanly through the center hole and still clear the bottom without a whole lot of extra at the bottom. Then you'd place, well, technically, you should check, make sure you're passing, and then make sure when you tighten it back up that your table doesn't move. So that way you can keep it tight at one spot. Testing a few times to make sure you have it right.
Okay, first off, I gotta make sure this thing is sturdy at the right distance. Make sure you have your hands at least 3 inches away from the drill.
Lower the drill bit into the wood.
Yeah, slowly lower it into the wood. If you do it too fast, you might damage it.
Make sure you're holding the wood slightly tight.
Yeah, I want to be careful when pulling it out, because you may never know.
Issues.
Go ahead.
Don't forget to make sure you clean up that's your shavings, because it will make it a much more dangerous environment. People could slip on this. People could slip. People could fall. Actually, like all the wood, piece of wood or metal. Can't do this speaking of wood.